that, more breaking news which is coming in the Civic War of Words continues. In fact, KTR has asked, is this Rahul Gandhi's constitution? Let me go across to Amita. Amita, what has he posted?
Well, here, as far as KTR is concerned, because now he's hitting back at the Congress party, where he goes on to say, and I quote, BRS MP Keshava Rao tendered resignation after joining the Congress party. Welcome his decision. But what about the BRS MLA who defected and contested Lok Sabha on a Congress ticket? What about half dozen of the other BRS MLAs who defected to the Congress? Rahul Gandhi, is this how you are as far as when it comes to how are you going to uphold the constitution? If you can't make BRS MLAs resign, how would the nation trust you that you were committed to Schedule 10 amendment as per the Congress Party manifesto? Ye kaisa nyay patra hai as far as defending the constitution, Meghna, is a line that when the Congress Party came out with its manifesto, it went on to say that we promised to amend the 10th schedule of the constitution to make defection, leaving the original party of which the MLA or MP was elected, as automatic disqualification of the membership in the assembly or parliament. So here is KTR questioning Rahul Gandhi and Congress Party that when can you walk the talk?
Well, in fact, Amita, do stay on with us. Let me go across to Shomit as well. Now, Shomit, this is very interesting, and some of the comments that the BJP is making, and one of them is, Congress all along has been crying Operation Lotus if any of their MLAs, MPs defect in any state across India. But then now, when they are doing these counter-ops and getting defectors from the other people's ranks, there seems to be very little outrage. Selectivity here?
Well, Meghna, we have just posed this question to the Deputy Chief Minister, and we have asked him that, BJP is pointing out at the Congress Party, stating that, when BRS was in power, BRS has taken the MLAs of the Congress. Okay, but the mistake has been done. Then, BJP will be not encouraging it, taking one and one MLA. So, now Congress is taking the BRS MLA. So, when Congress has fought on BRS MLAs, stating that they have looted the public money, so now the same MLAs are being taken into the Congress party, is what the charge has been leveled up. And also, even, because several Congress leaders have stated that Operation Kamal has been taken up in several states. Even the Deputy Chief Minister has stated that. And in return to the question, Deputy Chief Minister Batti Vikramarka has said that I've been, roaming around the country for last 10 years when Congress MLAs were taken away from the Congress party and they were welcomed into the BRS party. So I've did Padayatra, I've did hunger strike, but no one cared, no one bothered, including media. So, now, several MLAs wanted to abandon the BRS party and they wanted to join the Congress party. So basically the Congress leaders are justifying that, the leaders of the BRS party are abandoning or leaving the party because there is no point and they are joining into the Congress party, is what the Congress top netas are claiming.
There are very interesting developments which are coming in. Of course, it is the Congress which lobbed the washing machine charge. It is the Congress which lobbed the Operation Lotus charge. But now, look at the irony of the developments which are coming in from Telangana. Thank you so much, Shomit, as well as Amita, for joining us. With that, there's more.